town isn't the best place to find a voter, so Limpopo is where he goes.
Him and his friends are busy doing dodgy deals, taking this country for a joke.
You got rid of Parliament and Mr. Jonas, and now you think you own us.
This country's a flop.
You and your queries must stop.
S&P just dropped junk status.
Zuma, you know we want you gone. Move and go run the country like a pawn. Go and now pack your dish. You are too greedy, just like your days.
Zuma, please don't talk too much. Get on your jet and leave the country. Come on now, quit your job. Come on now, quit your job.
We hate the state of you. We don't want your nuclear deal. Are the Russians bribing you? We starting to worry. Last night you with the Guptas, now the Bentleys smell like you. We so fed up with you and our tool. We starting to worry.
Resign, 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 resign. We starting to worry.
Resign, 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 resign. We starting to worry.
Resign, 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 resign. We starting to worry.
And your resignation is way overdue. We hate the state of you.